In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Xero account. By the end, you'll be confidently signing in without any confusion. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. First, open your web browser and head to the official Xero homepage. You might see a regional version based on where you are, and that's perfectly fine. On the homepage, always look toward the top right corner for the login option. It's usually easy to spot and is the quickest path to your account. Go ahead and click Login to move to the sign-in screen. On the login page, you'll see two fields, one for your email address and one for your password. Enter the email you used when you created your Xero account. Take a brief moment to double check the spelling, especially if your browser autofills it. For the password, be mindful of capitalization, numbers, and symbols. If you copy and paste your password from a manager, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the text. If you're on a shared computer, avoid saving your login details in the browser, and do not share your credentials with anyone. If you ever need help recovering access, there's a link on the page to reset a forgotten password. Before you proceed, confirm you're on the official site by checking for the secure padlock icon in your browser's address bar. This helps ensure your information stays protected. If you prefer, you can click the show or hide icon in the password field to see what you're typing, which reduces the chance of errors. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click the login button. Xero will validate your details and take you into your account. If you're part of multiple organizations in Xero, you may be presented with a list to choose from after logging in. Simply select the organization you want to work with, and you'll land on the relevant dashboard. If you see an error message, don't worry. It often means there's a small typo in your email or password. Try re-entering them carefully. Ensure caps lock isn't on by mistake, and that your keyboard layout hasn't changed. If issues persist, consider clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser. That's all there is to it. Click Login on the Xero homepage, enter the email and password associated with your account, and click Log In to access your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign in smoothly and securely.